I did that, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to BeautyWithTy. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did these cornrows here. And this video is not going to be too much talking, just watching me braid my hair and do this hard design. So let's do a really quick recap. It took me about 4 hours, I'll say, give or take, about 4 hours to complete this style. I used 1 pack of hair because I really didn't add braiding hair until I got like all the way in the back. I used less hair, decided to keep it simple with just 1 hard. Really cute trending style, get into it. Okay, so I'm ready to freestyle my braids. All I know is that I want a hard on this side. And I did not wash my hair because I swooped my edges and I want to leave it like that. So I'm going to work around this. Yeah. And I got this hair from my beauty supply stores by Outre. This is what it looked like, just in case. And I've never done a hard on myself. I remember a couple years ago I did do a hard on my friend's daughter hair. I used to babysit her. It's funny because it's back. So look, that quick I got my hard shape, but I'm gonna go ahead and freestyle these cornrows. Enjoy. In case you're wondering, I sleep my edges with She Is Bum Goo. Okay, here you go. If you cannot braid, you got a little child, do this little number. Do the doodle ball. If you can't braid. But I can. But I can. So let's go ahead and split this again. Ooh, am I starting to curve? Oh my goodness. I can't see. I can just feel it. Okay, I'm here for one side. That was way easier than what I thought. You just have to keep turning your arms as you braid, like turn your body. Okay, so I have a little bit over here to connect this one. Let me start adding some hair in early on this. Gotta get them edges right. Okay, connect them bad boys. I did it. Stop playing with me. Heart on the side. Okay, boom. I did like a pretty big heart, so the rest of my braids could be a nice thick size. Okay, and that's how you create a heart. I did that, baby. Let me keep going. My arm's hurting. Woo! My arms, baby, they hurting. Them junks fire. All right, let me do these straight back and I'll be right back. Last one, baby. Now I'm gonna add some of my hair oil. Click the link down below. I love this style. It is so cute.